Crud bucket on train.
Bud Crockett, yeah, Crud bucket on the train.
Crud bucket is in coma now.
It's very windy, Bev. How nice it looks down there. Rocks and water. Just pour it in his hair. Okay. Hello.
We're watching a scary movie.
Yeah. Finn's very scared.
Yeah.
Oh, it's actually painful on me. It's so hard when it's reading. Oh, I just punched the table.
How the fuck am I meant to do it?
Come on, you can do that.
Dude!
Okay.
Use the little one.
Wait, I'm actually. Wait for it. Wait for it. Just do it. Are you serious? Are you serious? Wait. Am I going that way? Nah, Cardi. Wait. Cardi, what's that? Oh! I did it! That was magical.
Yeah. Crud bucket, this is Doris the pig. Yeah. Oh.